Hello guys and welcome to FreeBirds Crew, and I know most of you have questions that how can you showcase your data science skills to the world, or how can you crack data science interviews. But fear not, because I am here to tell you a solution which can help you to build the best portfolio of data science projects. If you have a good portfolio of projects, then it's your golden ticket to the data science world, and your chances of cracking any interview is very high. Okay, so let's start the video and I will tell you about the projects that you can build to exponentially increase your chances to get a job and become a pro level data scientist in just few months. Okay, so first let's talk about the beginner level portfolio projects of data science. So you need to have a EDA project, Exploratory Data Analytics project, in which you have to work on analysis and find significant insights from the data. If you get better insights and present them in an interactive dashboards on Power BI or Tableau, you are good to go. But make sure your insights are well defined with the facts and backed by the data. And for this, you can use the Airbnb dataset and build a dashboard to showcase the revenue, cost and expensive, net profit and loss in each segment of the company. Okay, so the next dataset that you can use is market basket analysis. These projects need more than data analysis because you need to detect the trends in the customer behavior. This is the best project if you want to get a job in recommendation engine building companies, because this kind of projects help you to provide product suggestions to customers and even launch marketing campaigns. Okay guys, and the next project you have to build is Predictive Modeling project with linear regression. So linear regression is the best algorithm when you are starting your ML journey. And with this algorithm, you can build your baseline model, and you just need to select a dataset that has continuous target variable. And with the help of stats model library, you can create your linear regression model and try to make it interpretable, because interpretability is all about the machine learning algorithms in the companies. So if you try to select the features based on the p-value from the model summary and try to explain your predictions to the stakeholders, then this project is complete. And for this project, you can use the USA housing dataset. Alright guys, so now let's talk about the intermediate level portfolio projects. So these projects are kind of totally machine learning based, and you need to build end-to-end projects. That means you need to start from the data collection part and end up with the deployment on any free cloud platform or on AWS or on Azure. That means you built a whole project in these kind of intermediate level projects. Okay, as you know, machine learning algorithms mainly solve problems related to the regression, classification, that are supervised ML algorithms, and clustering, that is unsupervised ML algorithms. So you need to pick one problem category. Let's say we pick the classification, in which your target variable is categorical. So for this, you need to first understand the problem statement and then get the data and try to predict for the binary or the multiple classes. Okay, so in these kind of projects, the concepts of data cleaning, feature engineering, feature selection, model building, model evaluation, everything is used. So make sure you put your 100% effort in each segment and try to build the best model possible. You can use the models like logistic regression, random forest, XGBoost or SVM as well. Okay, but keep your focus on evaluation part, because different problem statement in classification use different evaluation matrices, like some use accuracy, some use precision recall, some use F1 score. Okay, so you need to understand everything about your project and try to explain it in the same way. Okay. And for this, you can use the image classification dataset or also the lone default classification dataset as well. Okay, so now your classification project is completed, and now start with the regression. And for this kind of project, you need to pick some kind of a dataset that is like stock market prediction or the performance prediction, in which your target variable is continuous. And for this regression model, you can use models like random forest, XGBoost, linear regression for the baseline model. And for this, you can use the data set like student performance prediction as well. And now it's time to build the clustering project. And this project can help you to build unsupervised machine learning project to identify the trends or make similar attribute groups. So this project is very useful when you are doing the customer segmentation, personalized recommendation based on the customer attributes or customer behavior. Okay, and for this project, you can use the dataset of retail purchasing. And in this project, you can build which kind of retail items are similar, with which kind of retail customers are similar. You can put those into a one group as well. So many things you can do in the clustering as well. All guys, now our beginner and intermediate part is completed. Now let's move to the advanced portfolio projects. And these projects are necessary for the experienced candidates. Okay, but for the freshers, these are the plus point. Okay, so in this, you need to learn about NLP, deep learning, computer vision, and recommendation engines as well. So first project that you can build in this advanced section is NLP based projects, in which you can build projects like text summarization, machine translation, or chatbots. These projects really help you to build strong knowledge to handle textual data. And this will also help you to understand large language models like ChatGPT, Cloud-A, LLMA. For these advanced projects, you need to build end-to-end project with web app, and at the end, deploy it as well on any cloud platform. And for this kind of NLP project, you can use the dataset of Daily Mail. And by using this dataset, you can build the NLP model for text summarization, machine translation, or chatbot as well as to do the feature engineering on the textual data. That is a plus point. Okay, the next project that you build in the advanced section is a deep learning project. And end-to-end deep learning project is must with the deployment in your portfolio. As we know, deep learning is used to handle tasks like image identification, image segmentation, object detection, speech recognition, and very high-end tasks. So I would recommend you to build speech to text project, and in this category you can use the common voice dataset. And this can help you to build strong knowledge about how to handle the music data and how to do the future engineering on the music data as well. So this project is very useful for your portfolio. And the next project that you can build is recommendation engine. And you can build a complete recommendation engine to help consumers find products, films, musics, and other objects. You might, for example, create a recommender system like a streaming site or an e-commerce website as well. The dataset that you can use is Movie Lens dataset that has immense resource of movies for your model, and you can try different methods to create this model like content-based filtering, collaborating filtering, two-tower model approach as well. Okay, so that's it guys. I hope this video helps you better to build your best data science portfolio now, because when choosing a project, it is important to consider your skills and experience level. And you should also choose a project that you are interested in and that you are motivated to complete. Therefore, you are free to find some other datasets as well for your desired field or interests. For every project guys, you need to focus on the impact of your work. What problem did you solve and how did your work benefit the users or the business? You need to document your process, include a brief description of every project, the data you used, the method you used, and the result you get. You need to publish your code. This will allow the potential employers to see your coding skill and how you approach your data science problems. So you need to upload your projects on the GitHub, on the LinkedIn, on the YouTube as well, and present your work clearly and concisely, because by using the data visualization and other storytelling techniques, you can easily present your works in a better way. So thank guys. We'll meet in our next video, and you can comment down your views or questions and I will definitely answer them all. Thank guys. Thank you so much.